What is that?
Silly bands.
What does the card say?
Lots have love you and very proud Nana, Nanny, Grampy, Max.
Wow. Can you open up the present?
Oh, his silly bands out. No, don't stick to them. Keep them all safe.
Okay, keep them all safe. Okay, open the present.
To be our present. Ooh. I really some of it. I thought there was going to be books in here.
What is in there? What is all that stuff? A shirt? Oh, that's a nice shirt. That's a great shirt. What shirt is that?
He got it from Florida.
Wow.
I think he got it from Florida.
Oh, I like that one.
And now,
And now, look at all those books. There's more in there.
I know, I'm just going away.
Well, that gift's for Daddy over there.
What?
This is your gift. This is what you get. What do you say to Nanny and Grampy?
Thank you.
Say I love you and
Is
thank
that
you?
for me too?
No. Say thank you and I love
Is
you?
this the only one?
Yeah.
Thank you, Nanny and Grampy.
Say I love you.
I love you.